Let's now look at the visual reports in Microsoft Project. You will go into the visual report, and your visual report will give you a detailed template in which to look for the kind of report that you are looking for. If you say all in here, it will show you all the reports that you can generate from your project. But you can also go in and choose the kind of report that you want to show, which can be your resource availability, your resource summary. You will see there that it displays in a visual graphic, which is your chart. But also when you edit the template, you can go into an Excel spreadsheet. It takes you into an Excel spreadsheet directly, where you can then manipulate the report in a visual report in Microsoft Excel. Let's look at the cash flow report in our project. Then we go into view. Taking quite a time because it's generating a report between Excel and Microsoft Project. In here you will see there that your Excel report is generated in a pivot chart. So you can look at the pivot chart itself. It shows you the cost and the cumulative cost of the project, but you can also go in and look at the data that's generated there, which will be all your tasks and their cost and their cumulative cost thus far in your project. So you can actually then save this to report in Excel or in another program. Let's go in and look at another visual report. We have seen the cost report. Let's go in and look at the resource availability report. In fact, the resource work summary report. This is how we have used our resources in the project. Click on view. It will then generate the report for you. It is just converting it into Microsoft Excel, where then it shows you the work availability, the work done, and the materials that you have used, and this is actually all your resources that you have used in the project. It shows you how you used the resources. If you go to resource usage, it also gives you a pivot table report of how you used your resources and their availability depending on how you scheduled the resources in your resource sheet. Now this is a report generated in Excel, which you can then save as your report for your project in Microsoft Excel. I'm not going to save now. So we have seen the visual reports in Microsoft projects.